What's up, man? I'm Gadam. Welcome back to the channel. Juma Mubarak to all of my Muslim brothers and sisters all over the world. Friday is a little Eid for us, and my scent of the day is going to be this one right here, Alexandria 2 by Xerjoff. My birthday was on November 29th, and then I had to, spend a little cash, use a bit of the bag that I don't really have to go and bag this luxurious smelling fragrance right here. So right now I'm making this video because there's a little thing that people don't really know about this fragrance. It's not really a secret because it's on the Xerjoff website, but I thought it was interesting to point out because I've already reviewed this fragrance, and then it's not really an unboxing when you're unboxing a tester that was just in a tester box, but luckily mine came with a cap. You know what I'm saying? Start the cap. And I love how they have the notes right there at the back. I can read that out to you guys. So the head notes are apple, cinnamon, rosewood, and lavender. In the heart you get cedarwood, lily of the valley, and Bulgarian rose. In the base you get nice amber, sandalwood, musk, vanilla, and a blend of mature Thai and Laotian ouds. That's when you know Xerjoff, that's the bag right there, because this fragrance is the most expensive smelling fragrance I have ever smelled. And I've smelled quite a few. There's a lot more I need to smell, but yes, this right here, even though it's worth $730 Canadian or $750, I think this is worth every penny. No cap, longevity, smell, everything checks all the boxes. But one of the things most people don't know is that the Oriental oud line of Xerjoff, where they have this one, Alexandria 3, other oud fragrances, it's all inspired by one person, an Islamic explorer called Ibn Battuta. And I looked up about him a little bit beforehand, before even digging into this fragrance and learning about that backstory. But basically, that whole line is inspired by his travels all around the world. He was a big explorer. He explored a lot of Africa, South Asia, went a bit in the Europes and things like that too. Like, he went everywhere and spent almost his whole life writing and documenting very precisely places he's been to, what he's done. And they gave him homage by making a line of ouds because it's inspired by Arabian perfumery with a touch of Italian class and sophistication, and that's where you get this type of fragrance right here. But to me, that was very interesting because I learned about his story a little bit. It was very educational because it taught me a bit about the history of Islam and some of the scholars, explorers, with a lot of people that were involved inside of it. When a history is really rich, it brings about a lot of culture and inspiration for others, and a fragrance like this being inspired by somebody's explorations is amazing. And if you don't know where Alexandria is, I think it's in Egypt. It was a capital, a big city back in the time, and this smells amazing. Just such a lovely fragrance. And if you don't know about Ibn Battuta, the explorer, you should definitely watch a video about that guy and his explorations. You might learn a lot, and it might even motivate you to travel around the world because it's such a beautiful place. The world is so vast, and you guys should travel more, man. And again, look at this beautiful fragrance right here. Such beautiful notes, everything smells amazing. If you guys haven't smelled this yet, go smell this thing, man. Like, you're wasting your time if you haven't smelled this. So much good things out there, but this is a must smell once in your life. Owning, if you have the bag, go for it. But if you don't, at least just smell it. I have a bit of a cold. Anyways.
You ugly ass motherfucking gorilla looking smelly bitch. Motherfucker, you got me fucked.
This fragrance was inspired by that guy, Ibn Battuta. Go learn about his story. Go smell this fragrance. And if you like the attire, go to Alaysa Boutique, alaysa.boutique on Instagram, where I've got this beautiful thobe right here. Nice satin, comfortable material, very nice blue color. The quality is very good. Go support them. Guys, in this life, if anybody's doing something good, you should support them, and that's why I support them. It's not like I'm getting paid for this, but when you like something and you want to help people, make the community flourish, that's what you do. You buy from people you know are doing good. So if you know and you like me, go support them and go buy yourself a nice thobe on Alaysa.boutique. Free Palestine always. Thank you guys for watching my video. As always, have a great day, night, and or evening. Wa alaikum salam. Peace, guys.